Personal injuries can occur in many different ways. A careless driver can knock you with his car, or you get injured at your workplace. Nursing the injuries can actually be a difficult task. It is advisable that you file a case against the person who made you suffer the injuries in order to be compensated. You can do this with the help of an injury attorney. When searching for the most competent personal injury attorneys, Manhattan people can look locally or online. It is hard to know actually who best attorney is. The reason is because many people out there claim to be specialists in this area of law. For that reason, choosing the right legal practitioner becomes a bit tricky. Discussed in this piece are some of the important things to keep in mind when searching for this kind of attorney. The first that you should do is to seek attorney recommendations from trustworthy people. The people around you, such as relatives or friends, can actually recommend you the best attorneys to go for. This is because some of them had cases like yours in the past and they used the same lawyers to claim compensation. Make sure that you get as many suggestions as possible so as to make an informed decision. The internet is also another place where you can easily search for a legal practitioner. Search engines like Google have actually made everything simple. This is because you can search for any keyword in Google and get instant results. So you are supposed to type in the words injury attorneys in Google and get hundreds of results within seconds. This will help you start comparing the services in order to settle with the best. Spare your time and explore their websites so as to see the way they carry out their services. At the bottom of their websites, you will be able to see the comments from some of their past clients. Have a keen eye on the reviews in order to choose a lawyer with the highest number of positive comments from previous clients. You must have listed down some of those attorneys you came across during your search. Review the list and contact them to see those who are available. Make appointments with them in order to get a chance to interrogate them. When going to meet with your potential lawyers, remember to carry all the documents that will act as evidence for your case. Also, a list of questions that you are going to asking them during the interview is also vital. Choose a highly experienced attorney to represent your case. Go for one who has specialized in the area of law you want. Get to know the number of cases your potential lawyer has represented and how many of them had successful outcomes. Try to interrogate the person well before you make your mind. Ask about the fees they charge for their services. Note that the fees charges depends on their levels of expertise and the complexity of your situation. For you to get a good deal, you need to compare the fees charged by different attorneys. Avoid at all costs those lawyers who ask for upfront payment. For the best personal injury attorneys, Manhattan people can search locally or online.